experiment. We are going to perform the experiment that is related to single phase bridge inverter. As you have already studied the basic concepts and the working of the bridge inverter, so this is a kit based experiment. In this experiment, all the components are already connected behind the kit. So you can see the various components. The bridge converter is like this. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, because this is the single phase bridge inverter. So we have 4 switches. In this particular experiment, the MOSFET switches has been used here, and the optocoupler gate pulse generator, all you already aware about this. The gate pulse generator is used to provide the pulses for the switches. Okay, and this particular pot, it is used for varying the pulse width or changing the pulse width. We have connected the RL load is there, and we have connected the oscilloscope. Here we have connected the digital oscilloscope DSO across the load. So the load is considered here as this. These two terminals are the load, and you can see these two terminals are connected with the DSO. So the output of the inverter, as we already know, the output is as the stepped output. It is the basic form of the inverter, that is forming in the form of the sinusoidal curve. And when you will do the Fourier analysis, then you will be able to find out the fundamental component and the other harmonics, those are exist in this particular output stepped wave. So you can see here that the inverter output is considering there are 1 level and this is 2 level, means it is also known as this is the first level of the inverter output and this is the second level. So these are the levels of the inverter, and we have the single phase bridge inverter. That's why it is the output waveform it is considering, or it is coming in the form of the single phase AC. So if I change here the pulse width, like you can see, when I will vary the pulse width, the output waveform, the pulse width will change with respect to this. See carefully here, I am changing. So you can see according to the changing in the pulse width, the variation is coming in the form of the width of the output as the inverter output. You can see here like this. Okay, so in this particular experiment, we have just observed the single phase bridge inverter operation. We are giving input as with the help of the kit, and the output we are getting as in the form of the stepped form of the single phase. So this was the working of the single phase bridge inverter.